Hello friends, thanks for joining us today. Before we dive in, do us a favor. Hit like, share this video and subscribe so you never miss an update. Let's be real, flying can be a real drag. We've all been there, stuck in those endless lines, cramped seats, turbulence that feels like a roller coaster from hell. It's enough to make you want to just stay home. But hold on, before you swear off flying forever, I've got your back. I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs, some next-level travel hacks that'll transform your next flight from a nightmare into, dare I say, enjoyable. First up, choose your seat wisely, people. It's not just about legroom, it's about strategy. Listen, checked bags are for suckers. Pack light, pack smart, and travel like a boss. Don't be that person holding up the line at the airport. Check in online, save time, thank me later. Yeah, I know, waking up early sucks, but trust me, getting to the airport early is a game changer. Look, nobody likes taking off their shoes at security. Slip-on shoes, my friends, it's a no-brainer. If you travel even semi-regularly, invest in TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. Those lines will be a distant memory. Airport water prices are a rip-off. Bring an empty bottle, fill it up after security, and stay hydrated on the cheap. Let's be real, airplanes are flying petri dishes. Wipe down your seat area, don't be afraid to be that person. You're not going to a fashion show, alright? Dress comfortably, layers are key, and avoid those tight jeans like the plague. Power bank your in-flight savior. Don't rely on those janky airplane outlets. A portable power bank will keep your devices charged and you sane. Download your entertainment before you fly. In-flight Wi-Fi is a gamble, my friends. Download your movies, shows, playlists, whatever you need, and avoid the frustration. Crying babies, chatty neighbors, engine noise-canceling headphones are your best friend on a plane. Airplane air is drier than the Sahara Desert. Drink plenty of water, avoid the alcohol, and your body will thank you. If you can swing it, go carry-on only. You'll breeze past baggage claim and be on your way in a flash. There you have it, my friends. These are my hard-earned, battle-tested tips for conquering air travel. Now go forth, travel smart, stay comfortable, and don't let the stress of flying get you down. Remember, it's all about the journey, not just the destination. And hey, if you've got any killer travel hacks of your own, drop them in the comments below. Let's share the knowledge and make flying suck a little less for everyone. And there you have it. Follow these tips, and your next flight will be a breeze. Safe travels, everyone. Thanks for watching. If you loved today's video, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.